Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on gold. We're going to look at gold, miners, and the dollar. So starting off with the dollar, it's the dollar weakness that has been giving a lot of momentum to gold here. We have a key break on the weekly time frame. We were looking at this support back months ago as the must-hold level 91.92. If that level broke, you can look back to previous history. There is a lack of support because of how significantly we ran up on that breakout back in 2014, 2015. So we lost that level of support. We didn't dump right away because we are already oversold, but we just bounced and led to a lower high and now a lower low. So we're back in territory with a lack of support. The next clear weekly support that I see is 87.63, which is a ways down from where we stand right now. So after 5 weeks in a row in the red, we can anticipate that there will be another bounce in the near-term future. This is a bullish reversal hammer on the weekly time frame. If we see a bounce, we'll look for a move back into the $92 range and likely another lower high set. And it will be up to the bulls on the daily chart to form a higher low and a higher high. And to see a bull MACD cross, these are some exponential moving averages. Usually we use the 4 and the 8 period, but this is the 12 and the 26 period left up from a different chart I was looking at. But this is also something to keep an eye on, and I would be watching for a bullish break of this, or a bullish cross, to potentially signal when we see a turnaround. So daily chart is oversold. Short-term bounce not far away, but we have a clear double top that the bulls have to break. And if they don't break this level, they're not going anywhere. That's down at $91 on the dot and then $90.98. So we cooled off from RSI, oversold temporarily, and we'll see if the bulls can put together any kind of break of 91. If they can, we should see an easy 0.5 to 1% move to the upside. But as of right now, the bears remain in control as long as that level is resistance. Gold has been benefiting from the weak dollar. Look at this move up while the dollar has been weak. So the daily time frame has higher lows. We had a support level here, and now we have another higher low, and that's up at this lower level. That's 1324.15. So 1,324.15 is our new daily higher low, and resistance is the high of this move, and that's up at 1344.47. So even if we do break this resistance, we have a key resistance, which we can see on the weekly time frame. We saw a big bull breakout, 5 green weeks in a row. Now this is a bearish reversal candlestick. It's a spinning top, and it's a lower high compared to this previous high. So the fact that we have the dollar oversold on the daily and close to oversold on the weekly, and the fact that we're just now getting signs of consolidation on the weekly, we could be looking at gold to see some healthy consolidation for as many as 1 to 3 weeks at this point. So we will look for a higher low on the weekly to form. If we see a break of the low of this week, which is down at 1324.15, the odds of confirming this bearish reversal spinning top candlestick will increase. And you can also see it's a little volume climax at the top of this bull move. So I will be cautious on gold at this level, looking for a healthy pullback and a higher low to be established. But it's all about the dollar and the double top I just highlighted. And if gold can keep daily higher lows and keep 1324, then there's really no risk for the bulls. But if we lose that daily higher low pattern, that tells me weekly consolidation is coming. So GDX on the daily time frame also maintaining clear higher lows and higher highs. Inside bar on the daily time frame to be watching Monday, but we did close down at the low of that level. So ideal if the bulls could hold 23.56. It's not game over if they can't. It would be a big red flag if we break 22.97, the clear higher low established on the way up on this trend. So the weekly time frame, there's our resistance, 25.38. We're topping out at 24.49 after 5 green weeks in a row. Bearish reversal candlestick, and we're watching to see if we pull back further on this weekly time frame. GDX, very similar spot, higher low established on the daily at 33.18, and the bulls ideally want to hold 34.19, but it's not essential for the daily uptrend that that level does hold. The weekly time frame is further away from its resistance of 37.74, and we are forming rejection from this 100-week resistance. Look at this 100-week support previously. Remember, we bounced off of it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Now it's rejected back tests of resistance multiple times. That's a moving average to keep an eye on for GDXJ. And you look at GDX and you can see it's much more bullish as it has that level already back as support. So just some comparisons between the two, but overall, cautious in the bull miners, cautious in bull gold, just to the short term. A couple weeks we could see a pullback, but it's all about the daily higher low pattern. As long as that is maintained, the bulls have nothing to worry about. So we'll keep an eye on that higher low daily pattern. I hope you have a good rest of your weekend. We'll see you soon.